I'm so excited because I got my first order of Jeffree Star cosmetics. And I'm so excited, you guys. So it looks like this. Oops. It's a big pink box and has the little stars right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. I apologize if you hear the TV. A kid is watching this show. So I've wanted Jeffree Star cosmetics for a really long time, but you know, I never really had the money. And then every time I did get some money, I didn't think of spending it on it. But woohoo! So it looks like this. And then, hold on, let me adjust the camera a little bit. So you take out this pink tissue and then it's individually wrapped. Ooh-hoo-hoo. So I'm going to take out everything out in the box. And then like this. And then we have this. And then it comes with, oh, okay. And then this is Magic Star, which I did order the Magic Star concealer and the powder, but that's gonna come in a separate mail. So, and then obviously the invoice. Alright, I'm so excited. So these are just extra pink tissue papers. And so the first thing I got right here is the Magic Star liquid Velour. Not Velour. Sorry, my bad. It's liquid. Oh, Velour liquid lipstick. My bad. So this is how the package looks like. And then I got in the color Weirdo, which of course, because I always wear the color black. And so this is cute, and this is my first time opening a lips product of his, and ooh, it is so pretty. So it goes like this. It is so pretty. I really love it. So I'm excited to use this. I'm not gonna do a swatch just cause I don't wanna, use it just yet. So these, I got the mini nude bundles also. So there's this star wrapping, and it comes in a little bubble wrap, and then woohoo! So I believe this is the volume 1. So this is Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Open here for nudes. And then whoo, has nice little stars, and then ooh, all of it. Ooh, and I like how it smells. It has like a little smell to it, which is weird. But yes, this is all of them, and I'm so excited to especially try the Posh Spice. I think that'll look good on me. So there's that. And then there's this one, which is the Mini Nudes Volume 2. So I'm going to go ahead and just, okay, and the bubble wrap. Oh, and the bubble wrap's kind of like a hint of pink. It's cute. Okay, so this one is Jeffree Star Cosmetics, obviously, with Volume 2. And then, of course, open here for nudes. And of course, woo, Pretty box. And then here are the shades. So I'm super excited to be doing you know, actually be having a Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I just literally went out. I got these, and then I also am waiting for in the packaging, and they're still shipping it, but I'm still waiting for unicorn blood and also the Jeffree Star Cosmetics concealer and setting powder. So if you guys want me to do an unboxing of that, please let me know. I will definitely try and doing that. But yeah, so this is the unboxing of the Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and yeah, I hope you guys really like my videos, and you guys like, comment, and subscribe, because I will definitely try to make more videos. Bye!